I built a LEGO Concorde inspired by the legendary supersonic jet. Watch as we build and test it.
Inspect. Nothing broken. Nose up. Let's try that again. The first resulted in a fatal crash. This is the ambulance. It has the supersonic nose. We also got these aerodynamic wings. We also got these storage spaces. We also got one gun up here. So that's all for the top. Now if we look at the bottom, like flip the plane over like this, we have to be very careful. You can see all of these big bulky landing gear wheels. There's 8 pairs. There's 8 wheels in total. These 2 pairs are for primary landing gear. See, so these 2 wheels are always touching the ground. Well, unless it's a landing or a takeoff. These 2 pairs are secondary landing gear pairs. So this pair is used for taking off when it's in angle about to take off like this. And then if you see on the bottom, the wheel's moving. You see this front wheel is for landing. So when it's in a position to land. But then anything else would just be these 2 pairs. So that's really all for the bottom. I had to do a lot of stabilizing for these 2 guns. This is our little pilot. His name is George. We got him from San Diego. We also got one gun up here. You guys can. Because I can't do it at the same time. Called the stiff speeder. It's really good. Boxing at the same time. It's really good. I think I'll replace that entire thing with this thing. And then this thing looks really unorthodox, but it's supposed to work, so. Jared! Just barely touch. You might need this time. Could you see? No, I don't need it. Actually, I might need it over here. I'm gonna mount that over there. Oh, I thought this part moved. No, it used to, but I changed that. Oh, okay. Maybe this will work. Wait, hold on. Right there. Almost. Perfecto. Finally it stays over here. Finally it leans on the back instead of the front. No! It's not very stable. It certainly isn't a stabilizer. The vertical stabilizer is bended a little. It is nicknamed the Stiff Speeder and it has 3 engines. So it has 2 engines on the wings. The Legos right now? No. And then 1 engine in the back, you can see right here. It has 4 sets of wheels. 2 primary and 2 pairs of secondary wheels. These secondary wheels are for when the aircraft lands.
Show me the bottom, please.
So these 2 pairs of wheels are for when the aircraft lands, when it's at an angle. So right now they can't touch the ground, but when it's taking off, it's going to be touching the back wheels like this. And the back wheels are going to be moving. And when it's landing, it's going to be in the front. The top. There's also this thing in the front. It's called the Snooty Droop. I also developed this from the Concorde. So basically how it works. If you hinge these 2 black things, so you can move it up a full 90 degrees. And then you can move it down about 45 degrees. If you move it all the way down, it's about 85 degrees. But then the thing would just break because the thing's touching the ground now. So I just keep it locked in a 90-degree angle position. Hold on. Jamie! I tried to fix it a few times. It's pretty decent. It has the supersonic nose with the antennae. This is the control panel, as you can see, if you look really closely. We also have TNT for some reason. I just put TNT out there because I just thought it would look cool and because this thing is a bomber. I also have these big stabilizer beams and this thing. This lock is a system of moving up and down. So I'm gonna lock this back up. So this thing can't move anymore. Thank you, Jamie, for creating the ambulance. Which is broken right now, and yeah, the new and improved ambulance. Thank you for making that, and thank you for letting me borrow your minifigure from San Diego. This is the ambulance. Jimmy made the ambulance. No idea why he was planning to have one wheel and an axle. Because whenever it wobbles to one side, it stabilizes it back to normal, not just tilting down and. Well, that's about it. This plane is really cool. To me.
Thanks for joining us on this LEGO Concorde adventure. We had a blast building and testing it. Check the description for my email and share your name ideas for this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative builds. See you next time.